So we're the Smiths and we have been full-time in this trailer for the last 18 months, and we thought it would be really cool to give you a tour of what it looks like inside now that we've been in it and settled in and made so many changes. And so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give you the tour.
For the last 6 months we've been in South Dakota, and we are parked directly behind our new house, and we've been renovating it for the last 6 months.
18 months ago, we walked through so many trailers and we settled on the Dutchman Astoria 3123 VHF. And it has a little bunk room and it's kind of middle living with the master on the front upper part. Tell everyone who you are.
I am Cozy.
And how old are you?
5.
Do you like living in the trailer?
Yeah.
What's your favorite part?
Sleeping with my stuffies.
We have 2 kids. We have Cozy, who's 5, and then we have Desmond, who's 3.
But I think he is 10.
He thinks he's 10. And it's just the 4 of us living in our 30, how many feet is it? 34 foot. So pretty small, less than, maybe just around 200 square feet, maybe even less.
This is Desmond, and he is, how old are you?
10.
No, he's 3 years old.
No, I'm 10.
Do you like living in the trailer?
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to give you a very basic tour because after 18 months, we know this place, and
there's not much to show. It's also like 100 degrees in here because we turned the AC off and opened all the blinds so that the light would be good and the sound would be good. So we're booking this because
we're not sick of it, okay? We love the trailer.
Here is our layout. We're gonna show you all the changes we've made, the functionality of it, where the kids sleep, where we sleep. It's normal in here. We didn't clean up. There's like food cooking on the counter, dishes in the sink. Like this is straight up a Tuesday morning.
Hot in here.
It's
all right,
really
video
hot.
Me. Okay, so what we have back here is the bunk bed area. There used to be 2 bunk beds, but I converted the bottom half into a toy room. Okay, it was very hard work. I'm really good at what I do. There's a whole other video about that.
Do you love your toy room?
Yeah. And there's Des.
Hi, Des. It's a good thing your shirt's so long because you don't have any underwear on. We keep their books here, all of his cars here. We have a Lego table we just got from my parents, and every...
Papa Bear.
Huh?
Grandma Tress and Papa Eric.
That's right. About every 3 days, I bring out a new toy from our closet. I have like 4 toys that I rotate throughout the week. So they don't have all their toys at once. They just get like 1 kind of toy a day, whether it's like blocks or like stuffed animals or Legos. So we switch that out a lot.
And look at the car.
Yep, and there's your cars.
The next big change was getting rid of the love seats that it came with. So we added this IKEA big couch, and it rolls out to a queen, and it's actually really comfortable. I sleep better on here than I do on our king size bed. We have a lot of pillows that came with this, but Desmond always throws them on the ground, so they are actually underneath in the storage. Another awesome addition that I made because I'm awesome is the laundry room. This used to be a half bath,
Yeah.
but I converted it into a stackable laundry room. Okay?
And you can even stand in it, like show them there's room.
You can even stand in it. I'm 5'11", almost 6 foot, and it's actually pretty comfortable. Right here you have your dryer. Right here you have your washing machine. Oh, and look what these little awesome little hooks. We need somewhere to put the mop and the vacuum. Okay, you don't need a big vacuum when you live in an RV. You just have this little battery operated one. We just charge it maybe once a week, and it's awesome. Yeah. And then up here on the top, made shelves so we have more storage. Like there's 3 feet of storage on top of here. And then on this side, we hung a sort of like fabric shelving system right here. And then since this wasn't a laundry room before, we had to change the plumbing, we had to change the water hookups, and I also had to drill a 6-inch hole through the side of the trailer to add a dryer vent. But it wasn't that difficult. It was actually extremely easy. You watch a couple of YouTube videos on it and you can do it.
So over here, this came with the like giant dinette booth that turned into the bed. We hated that like the first night we moved in. It just didn't work with kids, and it literally came out to like here, and it just didn't work for us. So we got this small table, and we got these tiny chairs from IKEA, and they stack. And anytime we want to eat, we'll sometimes just pull this out like this. But usually the kids just sit here, and we'll just sit on the couch and eat, or we'll eat outside. So that allowed us to get the giant couch. And here is my amazing giant kitchen. I have about 1.5 feet of counter space. Today I made homemade granola. Look how beautiful.
Wow.
And I can make anything in here. I make bread, granola, cinnamon rolls, I bake casseroles, like I do everything. Most RVers don't ever use their oven, but we probably use it every day. The sink is nice. We have a little like area here to do dishes and stuff. And something cool Nick did for me is he made this awesome shelf to put like rags and storage containers. This wasn't here, and this whole area was completely useless, so we made that awesome. There used to be a panel here, so I only had this tiny triangle, so we took out everything, and now it's just better looking at you.
So we swapped out the big, it's like 7 gallon, maybe like a 12-gallon water heater, but it would only last like 1 shower, and then you had to wait about 15 minutes for the next person, and that was awful. So swapped it out with this instant water heater. It's about $1,000 on Amazon. There's going to be a link in the description that we'll have for you. But it was really easy putting in. I had to saw out part of the side of the trailer to make the opening larger, but other than that, it should just be simple plug and play.
So that's the new water heater. It took up way less space. The other one came out way far. And yeah, it's amazing. Amazing, amazing.
Look at my towel.
What is it?
Look.
What is it?
Look.
Where? Go show me. Show me.
Okay.
What is it? What'd you make?
Ta-da.
Oh, that's so cool, Des. Keep making it higher and higher.
Alright.
Next is the master bedroom. Really the only big changes that we made in here, so there used to be a side table on that side as well, and it was only a little queen size bed. And Stephanie and I are not cuddlers. Like, we like our space, like separate blankets. Like, that's how much we love our sleep. So we took that out, and instantly you have enough room for a king size bed. And then added the TV on the top, and we've got like an old Nintendo 64, Xbox, and like here's all of our clothes in here, and then we've got all these old games, like we've got a GameCube, and you know, all these old games that the kids like to play, and it's just kind of fun doing that once in a while. Underneath the bed we have storage that starts here, goes all the way back, kind of underneath that wall even too. And then back here is the master bedroom slide out, and this is where majority of our clothes are hanging up. Really simple, really easy.
So right off the master, there's actually 2 doors. So this is like the ensuite door is the master. This is really nice. This is all storage, which a lot of them didn't have, and like we totally use it. We have everything even down here for all our extra stuff. We didn't do many changes in here. I think the only thing we did was add like towel hooks, and come in here, you can show the sink. This used to be like the cheap plastic, you know, the turning knob thing. It cracked instantly, so we went and got like a real one that this would go in a house, and that's been amazing. Maybe one day we'll get a really big sink. Nick wants to. And there's a spider right there.
Oh, get him.
Oh my gosh. Oh. Okay, so what else? Other than the instant water heater, which makes showers amazing. We could shower for an hour if we wanted to. It doesn't even matter. That's about it in here. Okay, on to the next thing.
What's the next?
I gotta get rid of this spider.
This is the pantry. It came with it. What I did was I added a shelf on the top and I added lights.
Those ones don't work anymore.
They need a battery.
None of them work.
They only lasted about a year.
Talk about our awesome, these guys.
Then we ordered these and they just drill in these little clamps right here and that gives it more storage.
Yes. So we have this shelf, which is kid toys. This is food. This is food. This is kid toys and school and more food. Okay, let's close out this video and put the AC on.
All right.
Okay, so that's our trailer. We don't know how much longer we're gonna be in here. We might be moving into the house we're renovating, or we might end up selling it. We're still not sure, but we've been in here for a total of 18 months and we've changed a lot, and there's no way we could have lived in here without making the changes. What else do you guys want to know?
It's not that bad. It's actually not bad. We really enjoy living in our trailer, and we really enjoy being able just to pack up and go anywhere. Yeah,
like we're going to St. George for a whole month in October, and we plan on doing those kinds of trips all the time. I would say some of the hard things about living in the trailer are just that things break all the time. We've had our fridge break. We've had our fresh water tank literally fall out of the trailer. Leaks in the roof. Washing machines don't work.
Black tank,
gray tank.
Leaks.
Pretty much everything will break on your trailer. But just YouTube it. You don't have to take it in. Everyone's made a video on how to fix it. And that's us. And maybe in 18 months we'll do another video. Maybe we'll have a giant Class A.
Or another kid.
Hey! Put the AC on right now. It's probably 90 degrees in here. Close the windows!
We are on our way to Camping World to pick out our trailer.
I wish somebody would have told me, babe, someday these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of these good old days.
Now look at where we at, still growing up, still growing up. I would lay in my bed and dream about what I've become. Couldn't wait to get older, couldn't wait to be some. Now that I'm here, wishing I was still young. Those good old days.
I wish somebody would have told me, babe, that someday these would be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Cause someday soon your whole life's gonna change. You'll miss the magic of the good old days.
Wish never thought we'd get old. Maybe we're still young. Maybe you always look back and think it was better than it was. Maybe these are the moments. Maybe I've been missing what it's about. Been scared of the future, thinking about the past while missing out on now. We've come so far, I guess I'm proud. And I ain't worried about the wrinkles around my smile. I got some scars, I've been around. I felt some pain, I've seen some things, but I'm here now. Those good old days.
You don't know what you got till it goes, till it's gone. You don't know what you got till it goes, till it's gone. I wish somebody would have told me, babe, someday these will be the good old days. All the love you won't forget, and all these reckless nights you won't regret. Someday soon your whole life's gonna change.